Hello students, let's move for the fifth sum in the exercise 7.2. Let us read the sum. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining A 1, 5 and B minus 4, 5 is divided by the x-axis. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. Okay, here the points of coordinate of the point, if it is a line segment A and B, they didn't give a ratio also as well as the x-axis. I mean how they have divided, not given, and also the coordinates, this x y also not given. Okay, we want to find out the this coordinates as well as the ratio also. Only they have given a points, that is the A 1, minus 5 and B is minus 4, 5. So we want to find out both now. Let the required points be x and y. Okay, let the required coordinate be x and y. Okay, and the ratio take a ratio as ratio be k is to 1. We'll take that ratio as k is to 1. We don't know, no, for that sake. Okay, so let's write the given for this. If you are using the same formula, x equals, we want to use the same formula, that is the m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. So for this, let's write the ratio first, m1 and m2, then x comma y required point, and the coordinates x1 y1 and x2 y2. Okay, so x1 y1 is the first coordinate is 1 comma 1 and y1 is minus 5 in that, and x2 is minus 4 and y2 is 5, right? So x and y we don't know, we are taking as it is, right, as it is only. Then m1 we are taking as x and m2 as 1. Okay, let us substitute the same for this also. X we don't know, right, as it is, and m1 is k into x2 is minus 4, right, plus m2 is 1 into x1 is 1 divided by m1 plus m2, nothing but the k plus 1. Okay, we can take as k plus 1, right? Okay, so and here the coordinate be x and y we have taken, but point P lies on the x-axis only, because they only has given it is in the x-axis. If it should be in a x-axis, no y-axis. Okay, y-axis not there, so that's why y should be 0 here. Y should be 0. Y should be 0 because you can write here, because there is no y-axis. Just points lie on which axis? X-axis only. There is no y-axis. Points or lie on x-axis only. They only is given, that's why it should take as 0. Y should be 0 only. X should be x only and y should be 0 only, right? Okay, so this is one thing. And if you are taken a y here, we have to find out this. Minus 4 into k is minus 4k plus 1 ones are 1 divided by k plus 1. So this is the one thing, and we have to take the y also in the same way. Y in the sense m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Let us substitute for this. m1 is k into y2 is 5 plus m2 is how much? 1 into y1 is minus 5 divided by m1 plus m2, in the sense k plus 1 only here also. Okay, so next y value we know already, that is a 0. X is as it is, that's why it is as it is. Then it is 0 equals 5 into k is 5k, we got here 5k, plus into minus, minus 5 divided by k plus 1. Okay, so k plus 1. So here 5k minus y, so here we didn't get anything, but here we can get, I think so. Or if we do the cross multiplication, so here if it should be 1, k plus 1 into 0 is that thing, k plus 1 into 0 is 0 only. So 5k, if we do the cross multiplication, k plus 1 into 0 is 0, 0 equal to 5k minus y into 1 is as usual 5k minus y only, right? Okay, so if we are separating 5k, 5k equals 5 and k equals 5 divided by 5, 5 ones are 5, right? Okay, k value we got 1, 1 here, and the ratio should be 1 is to 1, right? K we got here 1 and the ratio should be 1 is to 1, we got here k is to 1 we took no, so therefore the ratio is 1 is to 1. So let us substitute the k value for this, for the x, then we can get the, I think, x value. Let us substitute, or take this as 1. Let us substitute k value in equation 1. So let us take the equation 1, x equals minus 4k plus 1 divided by k plus 1, right? So let us substitute minus 4 into k is what we got, 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. Okay, next is minus 4 into 1 is minus 4 only, plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 is 2. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3 divided by 2. So the value of x is minus 3 divided by 2, and the coordinates we required x comma 0. We can substitute that. So x equals how much we got? Minus 3 divided by 2. The coordinate, I mean required coordinate, the coordinate is x comma 0, no, we took, right? So that nothing but the minus 3 divided by 2 comma y axis not there, that why it should be 0. Minus 3 comma 2 3 divided by 2 comma 0. So hope you will understand this. Next we have to move for the next sum, that is the sixth sum. Yes, let's read the sixth sum here. If 1 comma 2, 4 comma 5, x comma 6 and 3 comma 5 are the vertices of the parallelogram. This is the parallelogram which is named as A, B, C, D. So they are the vertices. Vertices in the sense corner points. 1 comma 2, 4 comma 5, x comma 6 and 3 comma 5. Okay. Parallelogram in order, taken in order. I mean A, B, C, D in order only. So you want to take like that only. Keep in mind. Don't write the like that. Clear? Find x and y. We want to find out this value of x and this is y, because here the points are not given. Okay, so that's why we want to find out that. So we know that the inner vertices, the diagonals are bisecting each other, right? The diagonals are bisecting each other. So if we draw the extra triangle diagonals, that is a AC and a BD, so they are bisecting each other. Okay, they are what? Bisecting each other. Bisecting in each other in the sense that should always divide the line equally. So if you are taken here, the diagonals are like bisecting, I mean midpoint we can get, no, x1 by x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2 we can get. Okay, so write one point here in a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, exactly for the midpoint, exactly is there, so that's why we can take that formula. Parallelogram, the diagonals are diagonals, there is a rule actually, there is a features, one property of the parallelogram. Okay, the diagonals exactly bisect each other at a midpoint, so here they can, so if you have taken the midpoint should be x and y the same. Okay, whoa, clear? So that is that thing we have to find out here. X equals midpoint exactly, if it should be there, that is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, right? Okay, so x1 is so if you have taken this diagonals, the x1 is in this AC if you have taken in AC, the x1 is 1 plus yes, if you are taken here x1 in the sense 3 plus 4, so here we can see x1 is 3 and x2 is 4, 3 plus 4 divided by 2, 3 plus 4 is 7 divided by 2, right? Okay, so here the x is x plus 1, we can take the coordinates p or x plus 1 equals 7 divided by x equals 7 divided by 2 into x, then we have to find out the y in the same way, it is y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So y1 is here, we can get here y1 is y values are 6 plus 2 divided by 2, 6 plus 2 in the sense 8 divided by 2, it is 4. So the midpoints we can get here 7 divided by 2 comma 4. Okay, 5 plus 5 divided by 8. So midpoints we can get here x comma y is 7 divided by 2 and 4. The midpoints we can get here 7 divided by 2 and comma 4. Hope you will understand this. Next, let's move for the next sum. It is find the coordinates of the point A, where AB is the diameter of a circle. Let us take this, it is a one of the circle, in that AB is a diameter, AB is the diameter of the circle. So whose center is 2 comma minus 3, the center point has given, and 2 comma minus 3, then and B is 1 comma 4 has given. Find the coordinates of A, this thing want to find out. Okay, so which one? A, x, y we want to find out. So we don't know that again it is it is exactly divides, midpoint we can get here, so that formula only we can take here, that is x equals x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Okay, x equals what? x1 plus x2 divided by 2. So here x1 is, we don't know, right, as it is, that is a x only, plus x2 is 1, x2 is 1 divided by 2, and the value of x we got here, that is a 2 equals x plus 1 divided by 2. So if we do the cross multiplication, 2 2s are 4, x plus 1 equals 4. If we do the cross multiplication, x plus 1 into x plus 1, 2 2s are 4. So therefore x equals 4 minus 1 is 3. X equals 4 minus 1, that is the 3. Okay, next if we have taken the this thing y value, so y equals, the formula we know that y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So the y is y only, y1 is y only, plus y2 is here 4 divided by 2, and the value of y is minus 3. Minus 3 equals y plus 4 divided by 2. So here also if we do the cross multiplication, y plus 4 into 1 is y plus 4 only, plus into minus, minus 3 2s are 6. Okay, so if we are separating a y, minus 6, so plus 4, if it is moved to the RHS, it will become minus 4, y equals minus 10. Okay, then we got the coordinates of the points x and y here. The coordinates are the coordinates of point A are, so what is the value of x we got here? X is 3 comma minus 10. Okay, this is about the coordinates of the points A. Okay, this thing 3 comma minus 10. Hope you will understand this. Thank you.